If you're trying to lose weight but love your slushies, here's the solution. Today, I'm showing you how to turn this Coke Zero into a slushie. And stick around to the end to see if this actually tastes like the real thing. Shout out to Flimma for sending me this slushie machine. It lets you make a variety of frozen treats, including premium zero sugar slushies, perfect for those hot summer days. It's made with BPA-free materials and it's super easy to take apart and clean. Check out the link in the description to get yours. Now, let's get into the video. We're gonna start off with our dry ingredients, and we're first gonna add in some allulose. This ingredient is really important. If we just added the Coke Zero to the slushie machine, it would turn to a block of ice. And yes, it does have to be allulose and just allulose. If you use any other 0-calorie sweetener, it's just not gonna come out right. I have a tall cup. I'm gonna place this on a scale, zero it out, and I'm adding 115 grams of the allulose to the cup. And to help give the slushie a bit more of a thicker texture, we're using some xanthan gum. You don't need a whole lot, just a half of a teaspoon. Put that in there. Now we're gonna take this and we're gonna make sure that we whisk it nice and good. And now I have some warm water. I'm gonna use this to fully dissolve the xanthan gum and the allulose together. All right, got it all poured in. Definitely get an electric whisk. It makes it so much easier. So what you're looking for is to make sure you don't have any of that xanthan gum clumping. It looks like a nice syrup. Then you're all good. And we're not gonna put this in the machine yet. We're gonna put it in the fridge for a little bit, cool it down, and then we'll be all good to go. Now we're gonna take our cooled syrup and we're gonna put this into the slushie machine. Slow, make sure we get it all. And now we got 3 bottles of Coke Zero. What we're gonna do is slowly pour these in to the slushie machine. And I'm gonna be using this cup to get a better angle while pouring it in. These are all carbonated, so we don't wanna make too much fuzziness when we pour it in. Nice, slow, and we're simply just gonna try and get as close to the edge as possible or onto the machine. Just nice and slow pour. Try not make too much fuzziness. All of our Coke is now into the slushie machine. Turn the on button. First, just gonna run this on a spin cycle. Just make sure we get the syrup and soda all mixed together before we start freezing it. So I'm hitting the rinse button for 1 minute. And once that minute's up, we're gonna hit the slush button. And now we'll let the machine do the work. This will take anywhere from 30 to 45 minutes. And while we wait on our slushie, be sure to hit that like button for more videos like this. Take a look here. See, it's got that nice texture to it. Let's get it up there. Take a look at this texture. Nice. Honestly, this is perfectly how I'd like it. Look at that. This is definitely scoopable, and you could also drink this as well. Let's see how it tastes. Yep. If you love your Coke Zero, this is definitely the move. On these hot summer days, this will work really well. It's crazy. No sugar, no calories. The texture's on point. At the end of the day, you want the replacement of the actual slushie to taste like the real thing, and this does taste like the real thing. And there you have it, a zero sugar Coke slushie, perfect for your weight loss journey. If you want more dessert recipes that taste like cheat meals, check out this video right here.